The teaching methods of the Prophet Muhammad Privilege. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala sent Muhammad privilege to instruct us, to teach us the principles of religion so that we might attain wisdom. We are meant to follow the example of the Prophet, and whatever we comprehend and get benefit from when learning the principles of Islam. It benefits us to investigate the wise the prophet took his companions. In fact, there were many different teaching techniques that Prophet Muhammad previewed outlisted. Following are a few examples. The Prophet will sometimes repeat something three times. One example is the hadith narrated by Abu Surai. The Prophet said, by Allah, he does not believe by Allah. He does not believe by Allah. He does not believe it was said. Who is that you Allah's absolute? He privilege said that person was neighbor does not feel safe from his evil. Another, the count the queen who that hotels akraken. Another technique you that he easily effectively he was asking a question that piqued the interest and curiosity of the listeners. An example is when the prophet asked his companions, what would be the situation of someone who has a river at his door and every day, 5 times a day, he comes out and the takes a bath in the river. At the end of the day, will he have any dirt on himself? They responded. They responded. There will be no dirt on him, O Rasulullah. Then the Prophet said, similarly, there are the 5 prior cleansings. The person in this way in the above hadith, the Prophet not only used a question to bring the listeners mean to attentiveness. He also used an analogy making a similarity between the 5 daily prayers as a cleansing of heart and soul to the river that cleanses the body. Just as the prophet used analogy to illustrate a point verbally, he also used illustration to make a point graphically. Once the prophet drew a straight line through the sand and then drew lines to the right and lines to the left of the first line. While the people were looking at the drawing, he wrote the first and fully, this is my strategic path, so follow it and follow not. But for they will separate you away from his path. Quran 6.
Ya.
In other instances, he illustrates his point using his hands. When he said, I am the one who takes care of the orphans are in paradise like this. As he was speaking, he interlaced his fingers, using daily living experience as opportunity to instruct the prophet Babuch on was traveling with some companions, and when it was time to prepare food, I asked them to slaughter a sheep. One man said he would do that. Another said he would skin it, and a third said he would cook it. Then the messengers of Allah said, I will collect wood for the fire. They said, no, we will do that work for you. The prophet answered, I know that you can do it for me, but I hate to privilege yet Allah hated to see a servant of his privileged above others. And the prophet went and collected firewood khulasus ash-shi'ar.
Noun accreditation.
Non accreditation,
Verb accredited.
verb accredit,
Adjective accredited.
adjective accredited,
Artinya telah terakreditasi.
artinya telah terakreditasi.
Noun graduate.
Non graduate,
Verb graded.
verb graded,
Adjective graded.
adjektifnya graded,
Artinya telah lulus.
artinya telah lulus.
Noun recruitment.
Noun recruitment,
Verb require.
verb required,
Adjective required.
adjective required,
Artinya dibutuhkan.
artinya dibutuhkan.
Noun application.
Noun application,
Verb apply.
verb apply,
Adjective applied.
adjective apply,
Artinya terapan.
artinya terapan.
Noun tradition.
Noun tradition,
Verb traditionalist.
verb traditionalis,
Adjective traditional.
adjective traditional,
Artinya tradisional.
artinya tradisional.
Noun preparation.
Noun present,
Verb prepare.
verb prepare,
Adjective prepared.
adjective prepared,
Artinya siap.
siap.
Noun performs.
Noun performs,
Verb perform.
verb perform,
Adjective performing.
adjective performing,
Artinya tampil.
tampil.
Noun education.
Noun education,
Verb educate.
verb educate,
Adjective educational.
adjective educational,
Artinya berpendidikan.
artinya berpendidikan.
Noun perspiration.
Noun perspiration,
Verb prescribe.
verb prescribe,
Adjective prescribe.
adjective prescribe,
Ya, artinya menentukan.
artinya menentukan.
Noun maintains.
Noun maintains,
Verb maintain.
verb maintain,
Adjective maintenance.
adjective maintained,
Artinya terpelihara.
artinya terpelihara.
Sudah.